Oh, Your Honor, before you bring in the jury and your instructions begin, I have an objection to place on the record based on the discussions that we've had in chambers. My client, the plaintiff, Mrs. Brown, requested a special jury instruction that violating a safety statute in Michigan gives rise to a presumption of negligence. I did cite to the court in chambers the Michigan Supreme Court case of Zini versus Anderson, holding that a safety statute is one that protects the plaintiff's class against the specific risk of injury that occurred in the actual event. As Your Honor has seen, contested proofs have shown that the defendant, Mr. Green, drove his vehicle into the crosswalk, striking my client as she crossed at a stop sign. Michigan's traffic safety code prohibits motor vehicle operators from causing their vehicle to enter the crosswalk that a pedestrian is using lawfully to cross the street. My proposed special instruction offered in chambers had read, Michigan's traffic safety code prohibits a motor vehicle operator from causing the vehicle to enter a crosswalk that a pedestrian is lawfully using to cross the street. If you find that the defendant, Mr. Green, caused his vehicle to enter the crosswalk when Mrs. Brown was lawfully crossing the street, then you are to presume that Mr. Green breached his duty of reasonable care and was negligent. If you do not find that the defendant, Mr. Green, caused his vehicle to enter the crosswalk when Mrs. Brown was lawfully crossing the street, then you are not to presume Mr. Green's breach of reasonable care or negligence, but are instead to disregard the traffic safety code in your deliberations. The court declined to give that instruction, to which I have here respectfully objected. Thank you.